guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a video on a cleansing water war. I kind of wanted to show the difference between these two cleansing waters because one of them I've been using for a while, but the other one I recently purchased and I actually love it, and I think it might be better than the other one. Sorry. So I decided to go ahead and do this video for you guys because I have a full face of makeup on. I've been having it on pretty much all day, and I want to show you guys which one's gonna be better. And if you need a new cleansing water, you know, your girl gotcha. So let's get straight into this. As you guys already know, please click down below and subscribe. If your subscribe button is red, then you are currently not subscribed to my channel. So turn it to gray by just clicking that subscribe button and joining my channel here on Annette. And if you want to be notified when I post a new video, please don't forget to click that notification bell also, so you'll be notified when I post a new video and be the first one to watch and comment. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. I was about to start talking. Alrighty guys, so this video is all about the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water and versus, I guess, the Yes to Cucumber Soothing Calming Micellar Cleansing Water. So these two things pretty much do the same thing. I also have the Clear Skin Cleansing Water from Yes to, because so I don't even know where I remember what I said. Oh, I bought the Clear Skin one because I want to try this one out also, but I haven't used this one yet. This one's still unopened and brand new. I have been using the cucumber one because right now that is part of my skincare, some of the cucumber stuff from Yes To. But I have been using the Garnier one for a long time. This is actually my 4th bottle from them. Because as you guys know, I used to use the Neutrogena, I believe, makeup wipes, and I wanted to find something that was a little bit more... cost effective and that I can travel with a little bit easier. So I thought the cleansing water would be better and also helps with my skin. So that's why I started using the cleansing water. A little bit of like what it's supposed to do. Basically removes makeup, cleanse, and refreshes. No rinse, no harsh rubbing, face, lips, and eyes for all skin types, even sensitive skin. That's why I use this one, because I have really sensitive skin, and all you do is just put on a cotton pad and remove your makeup. You can use it AM and PM, and it's supposed to hydrate your skin and leave it perfectly clean without over drying. So technically you don't have to wash your face, but I still do wash my face. But I still wash my face after using the cleansing water anyways. So there goes Zara. Go ahead, girl. Get your eat on. Look at her face. So the Yes to Cucumber Soothing one is supposed to calm and clean with cucumber extract, gently removes makeup, cleanse, refresh all over in one without rinsing. The same thing, just use a cotton pad or a swab or whatever and just rub it on off, and it's supposed to gently remove and you don't have to rinse your face. So they're basically saying to do the same thing, but I feel like one is better than the other, so we're gonna see. So I have my jar full of cotton swabs here. My face is the same on both sides, same products, nothing is different. This makeup look is actually up on my channel, so I will link it down below for you guys so you can see that this is a real makeup look. If you don't, alrighty, is that close enough for you guys? Can you see all my pores, the greasiness, the oiliness? Okay, so as you can see, I have some shimmer stuff going on. I do have lashes on. I have like this little satin lip thing going on, so that's going to be pretty easy to take off. But I have highlight, contour, all that jazz happening. So we're going to see how this works. But first and foremost, let's peel the lashes off. Lashes are off. Let's go ahead. So I got some clean cotton swabs. This side, I'm going to do the Yes To, and on this side, I'm going to do the Garnier one. So let's start with this side because this is the one I always use. So let's see, how many cotton swabs do I need? First, I'm going to try it on the eyes and see if I can do one cotton swab, wipe, and see how much makeup comes off. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. So instead of just removing the whole face, I just want to see mainly the eyes, because that's like the main test. To be fair, this one has a pore little top and this one has a pump. I like the pump better because I'm not really wasting a lot of product. So I'm going to try to figure out how to evenly get the same amount out. So I'm just kind of just dripping a little bit on there. It's not super soaked, but it's not still dry. Maybe just a little few drips. Okay, so are you guys ready for this? Let's go. So I'm just gonna sit it on there. I'm kind of pressing it in, and then I'm gonna wipe. And I'm doing one wipe. That's one wipe on this side. Okay. Let's go in with another clean sponge. Ooh. I got enough. Girl, you're violent. Another sponge. Hold it, press it, and wipe. And that's one wipe. So pretty much so far, this side has gotten off a little bit more than the other side. So I'm going to see how many sponges I can get off. I have my contacts on with this one side. I mean, with this cleanser water. So I'm still using that same pad. Whoa, that was fast. Because normally it takes me a little longer to get my eyeshadow off. Did you just throw up? Oh, okay, because you're good at that one. So I'm using the same pad, the same side. I'm going to go ahead and flip the side. So you can see I'm just flipping the side, not a new pad. I feel like I'm getting way more makeup off. Okay, that's this side. Now let's finish cleansing this side. Okay, so far, just looking at my face in the mirror, I feel like they both did a good job, but I feel like my face could be clean. But I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I do feel like the Yes to Cucumber one was a lot easier to remove my makeup with and faster. Because like, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can tell, like on my brows, there's more of that brow gel on my brows versus on this side, it's pretty much off. And that's typically how it looks like when I use this one. I typically always still have brows on, still have eyeshadow and mascara and a lot of foundation. But with this one, what I was noticing the other day, it wasn't really a lot left on. So now the other test is to see how much makeup is left on each side. One cotton swab for each side. And we're just going to give it a quick pass and we're going to see. And that's going to be my test. So I'm going to give it a good 2 pumps here. Okay, that's this side here. I did use the back side of a little bit, but mostly this side. Then I'm gonna go in with the other one. I'm just gonna pour a little bit. It's kind of hard because there's no pump, and that's the one thing I really don't like. I am finished wiping it, and this is this side here. And I'm gonna be honest with you, it's really hard to tell because according to like the two, oh my god, Zara, the two swabs, it's not really that much of a big difference. It's not really much of a big difference. I think overall they both did really well. I truly feel like the Yes to cleansing water removed faster, and it removed it without any rubbing, because I noticed, like, I don't know if you guys saw, I did kind of speed it up a little bit, but I had to rub a lot on the eyes to kind of get rid of a lot of the red eyeshadow that was up here, versus this one, when I did the first wipe, most of that was gone. I did have to use it a lot to get more of the mascara off and all the eyebrow stuff going on up here, but both of them showed out like on the pad. It wasn't too bad, but I would say the Yes to me won because it removed it off first. Like the first wipe was way better than the other one. Zara is not playing games with this bottle, y'all. Look, she done created so many bubbles up in here. She's not playing. So that's just my honest opinion. I know a lot of people like this water in particular, and don't get me wrong, I still like it. I'm still use it. This side feels really smooth and like dry, like not like ashy dry, but just like dried down, like the product's not there. Doesn't leave like a residue. But this side is a little bit sticky, and I feel like I need to wash this side of my face because I can still feel like a little tacky, versus this side doesn't feel like that. They feel different. I do notice that the sides feel different. Yeah, I'm itching already on this side of my face. Just the feel of this side is like sticky. Like I need to go wash my face right now, even though they say you don't have to wash your face. I feel like I need to go wash my face right now, versus this side is just dry down. Like I feel like I can just go to sleep with knowing that my face is clean, but I would wash my face anyways. So that's my battle, guys. I feel like the Yes Cucumbers won to me because I like the way it removed my makeup the first time. I feel like I should not have to work super hard to remove my makeup, especially those days where I'm really tired. I want to be able to just go with 2 swabs and that's it. With this one, if I didn't use the Yes to on this side, I probably would have to use 4 cotton swabs on my whole face like I normally do. That's why I go through a big bottle within a couple of weeks, because I have to use 4 cotton pads for my face each time I remove my makeup, versus this one I've noticed only have to use maybe 2, the front and the back of one, and then another side of one, just to remove my makeup. And I got this for $3.99 at TJ Maxx, so I was really excited that I found it at TJ Maxx. And another advantage that the Yes to product has is that it has this cool pump at the top, so you can pump your product and don't have to waste any product, versus this, it literally leaks out and you can't really put it back. And like the pump, you can actually open this, and if some wastes out, you can actually salvage it and put it back. You can do that. With this container, you cannot open it. If this breaks off, all your product is gone. With this, if this top breaks off, it slowly leaks out, but it's not to where this one will literally like pour out of the container. So that's another advantage that this product has that this product does not. And overall, it's just the size of them. This one has 13.5 fluid ounce. This one is 7.7 fluid ounce. That will be another thing, is that you may get more in this one versus this one, but I feel like the quality of this one is a lot better than this one. So yeah, I'm going to stick with this one. But you guys are welcome to try it out, because they do have small versions of this guy you can use to travel with, but I don't think they have small versions of this also. So that's my review. That's my battle between the cleansing waters. You guys let me know how you feel about both of these products. Have you tried them both? Have you only tried one versus the other? Which one do you like? Let me know down below, and I hope you guys love this review video, and I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. Bye guys.